Hey YouTube fam! Are you struggling to hit that 1000 subscriber milestone? You're not alone. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm spilling all the secrets on how to grow your channel and get your first 1000 subscribers fast. Let's dive in. First things first, know your audience. Take time to understand who your viewers are and what they want to see. Are they here for tutorials, entertainment, or reviews? Use YouTube analytics to learn about their age, location, and watch patterns. The better you know them, the easier it is to create content they can't resist. Thumbnails are the first impression of your video. Make them eye-catching and relevant. Use bold text, high-quality images, and vibrant colors to grab attention. Remember, a great thumbnail increases your click-through rate, which is crucial for growth. Consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, pick a schedule and stick to it. This builds trust with your viewers and helps YouTube's algorithm recognize your channel as active and reliable. Don't forget to engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, and even shout out loyal subscribers in your videos. Building a community makes viewers feel valued and more likely to hit that subscribe button. Collaborations are a fantastic way to reach new audiences. Partner up with other YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote each other's content. This way, you get exposure to a whole new set of viewers who are likely interested in your channel too. So, there you have it. 5 powerful tips to help you reach your first 1000 subscribers on YouTube. Remember, it's all about creating valuable content, staying consistent, and engaging with your audience. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.